Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix your Verizon phone stuck on SOS. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the phone. Then you want to scroll from the top down, just in order to open this control panel. Then you want to go to the airplane mode and make sure that you have this option right here, airplane mode. Turn this option on, then turn it off again, and see if your issue is fixed or not. Try to check if your phone is stuck on SOS or not. Now, the second option that you can do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone, then go and click on mobile service. You just have to scroll down until you find here this option, mobile service. Here I have it, turn it off. Just tap on it. Then you want to search for Verizon SIM or Verizon SIM. Just tap on it. Then here you can see these two options. Turn on this line. You just have to toggle this option off, then toggle it on again, toggle it off and on repeatedly, and see if your issue is fixed or not. And now the last solution is to simply open your browser, then search for Verizon Down, and here you can see that they have outages. Or you can simply search on Down Detector for Verizon, and here it tells you that there are outages, and this is out of our hand, so you cannot actually fix this issue. They should fix it from their side and deal with their servers correctly. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.